What the hell? You damaged my car.
It's okay. This sun visor can not only block the sun from the front, but also block the sun from the side. There are many hidden functions like this in your car. For example, when you refuel, you forget which side of the fuel tank cap is on. Look here, to which side does this triangular arrow point? The fuel tank cap outside the car is on which side of the body? For another example, you want to take a rest in the car at noon, but the gap in the headrest is very large and does not fit snugly, making it uncomfortable to sleep. Press and hold this button on the headrest. After pressing and holding it, you can lift the headrest, but you can only lift it up and cannot pull it out. How should you do it? There is a hidden button in this position, just inside the cloth. After pressing and holding it, you can pull out the headrest. After pulling it out, turn it over, then insert it again, and insert it all the way. It will be particularly comfortable if you sleep in the car at this time. Also, if you find that the window glass is not closed after getting off the car, you only need to press and hold the lock button, and the glass will automatically rise. If there is a sunroof, the sunroof will also automatically close. In the same way, for example, after the car is exposed to the sun and it is very hot inside, if you hold down the unlock button, all the glass will come down. If you ventilate the car in advance, it will be very comfortable when you get in. Also, if you are driving in front and there is a child sitting in the back seat, are you worried that he will pick the door handle and suddenly open the door? This is particularly dangerous, right? We only need to open the back door. Do you see there is a small hole in the back door? You insert the key into it, twist it after inserting, and then you can turn on the child lock mode. After opening, the door can only be opened from the outside, but cannot be opened from the inside. This seat belt can be adjusted according to the height of the driver. You can adjust it by pressing and holding this position. Note that after we get in the car, we must first adjust the seat belt position. If you do not adjust the seat belt properly, it will not only be unsafe, but also very dangerous. Find the lock button on the car door. Press and hold it for 5 seconds to activate the automatic locking function. After activation, when your vehicle speed exceeds 20 kilometers per hour, the door will automatically lock to prevent danger. Find the glass lift switch on the car door and hold it for 5 seconds to activate the automatic lift function. After activation, you only need to press the glass and it will automatically lower to the bottom. If you want to raise the glass, you only need to press the glass and it will automatically rise with one click. You see, it can also activate the automatic hand pinch prevention function at the same time. And when you drive at night, the light from behind comes from here, which is very dazzling. We only need to flip the small switch under the reversing mirror to activate the automatic anti-glare function. The last tip can save lives, so be sure to let your family members, especially children, learn it. For example, if you are trapped in a car and can't get out, what should you do? You can find such a mechanism on the backrest of the rear seat. With a slight push of your hand, you can fold down the rear seat, and we can get in from here. After getting in, you will find such a mechanism on the trunk door panel. With a gentle push of your hand, you can open the trunk for emergency escape. Have you learned it? Follow me and learn about cars every day.